Why is AC maintenance so important, you ask? Well, regular maintenance plays a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency and longevity of your air conditioning unit. It's like taking care of a high-performance car. You wouldn't want to neglect its upkeep, would you? Air conditioner maintenance involves several steps. First up is cleaning the AC filter. This should be done regularly. The frequency depends on how often you use your AC. To clean the filter, simply remove it carefully and use a vacuum or a soft brush to get rid of the dust. If your filter is washable, don't forget to give it a good rinse, or if it's beyond cleaning, consider replacing it. The next step is to check the drainage or the drain. Look for the water disposal pipe and ensure there are no blockages. A simple way to check this is by pouring a little water and seeing if it flows out smoothly. Cleaning the condenser and evaporator is equally important. Turn off the electricity and make sure the AC is not in operation before you start. A soft brush can be used to clean off dust from these parts. Always refer to your AC manual for specific cleaning instructions. Advanced maintenance involves checking the refrigerant levels. This is a job best left to the professionals as it requires specialized knowledge. The right amount of refrigerant ensures your AC works efficiently. Electrical systems should also be checked. Before you do this, remember to turn off the electricity. Check the condition of cables and connectors, and test the voltage and current with the appropriate tools. Thermostat calibration is another important aspect of AC maintenance. Refer to your manual on how to calibrate the thermostat. It's a good idea to use an additional thermometer to check if the displayed temperature matches the actual temperature. We all want to optimize the use of our AC. To do this, avoid excessive opening of doors and windows and make wise use of temperature settings and modes. It's also important to schedule regular checkups by a professional AC technician, at least once a year. If you suspect a more serious issue, don't hesitate to call in the professionals. In conclusion, the key points of AC maintenance involve regular cleaning of the filter, checking the drainage, cleaning the condenser and evaporator, checking refrigerant levels, inspecting the electrical system, calibrating the thermostat, optimizing AC use, and scheduling regular professional checkups. Always refer to your AC user manual and, if necessary, consult with a professional AC technician for deeper maintenance. Proper care will ensure your AC operates efficiently and stands the test of time. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.